In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure engagement in GA4. We'll use the Google Analytics 4 demo account so you can follow along with real data. Start by signing in to your Google account and opening the GA4 demo property for the Google Merchandise Store. From the Analytics home screen, head to Reports in the left-hand navigation. Under the Lifecycle section, choose Engagement, then open Overview. This is your central hub for understanding how people actually interact with your site or app. On the Overview page, you'll see the key engagement metrics that matter most. Engagement rate is the percentage of sessions that were considered engaged. In GA4, a session is engaged if it lasts longer than 10 seconds, includes a conversion event, or has at least 2 page or screen views. Average engagement time shows how long the site or app was actively in the foreground for users, which is a much better signal than simple time on page. You'll also see engaged sessions per user, which tells you how often individual users are having meaningful sessions. Together, these metrics help you gauge quality, not just quantity. Click the highlighted Overview card to drill into the Engagement Overview dashboard. Here, scan for trends. A rising engagement rate typically indicates that content, UX, or traffic quality is improving. If engagement time dips, it could mean users aren't finding what they expect, or content isn't holding attention. Next, select the highlighted Events panel to open Reports, Engagement, Events. This is where you can see event counts for interactions like page view, scroll, and click. Look for which events occur most frequently and which ones are tied to your top engaged sessions. High-value events that align with your goals are strong indicators of meaningful engagement, not just activity for activity's sake. Now move to Pages and Screens under Engagement. This report helps you understand which pages or screens keep users engaged. Click the highlighted option to view all pages and screens in more detail. Scan the list for pages with strong engagement rate and solid average engagement time. Pages with high views but low engagement may need clearer calls to action, better load performance, or more relevant content to keep users interacting. As you work through these reports, keep context in mind. Engagement should connect back to your goals, whether that's educating users, encouraging product exploration, or driving conversions. By navigating from Overview to Events and then to Pages and Screens, you build a complete picture of what resonates with users and where to focus improvements.